This is a very momentous and joyful day for all of us at Global Schools Foundation. Global Schools Foundation begins its 20th year anniversary celebration with a walk down memory lane. Our journey over the last 2 decades is an ode to the dreams and aspirations of our founders. Outstanding, to say the least. All of us associated with the foundation feel a sense of accomplishment and pride to have been part of this dynamic organization that resonates with the times and the needs, come what may, in pursuit of excellence in education. At Global Schools, our promise and vision is to nurture global citizens. In my association with Global Schools, I have seen a constant and relentless drive to implement innovative ideas and practices in the field of education. Kudos to the team for that. The ultimate goal has always been and continues to be to ensure that our children become responsible global citizens. Global Schools is one of the very few organizations I have come across which is always open to change and evolution of the best practices. Innovation has been the name of the game for all of us, and as we continue to be part of the learning curve ourselves in our drive to excel in delivering world class education. The idea of having smart campuses and our award winning pedagogy of 9 Gems is a strong evidence of our futuristic way of thought process. We provide across all of our campuses a strong and balanced combination of state-of-the-art facilities, need-based use of latest technology, and a balanced teaching learning mode of delivery of education. This has ensured continuity of our best practices in delivering excellence in education amidst all challenges that we have faced in last 2 decades. At Global Schools, we believe that this is what excellence stands for. Excellence has been in our DNA and will continue to be in future. My heartiest congratulations to Foundation for its commendable journey. May God bless us with many more happy and fulfilling years down this stupendous and satisfying path.